find all the real zeros and relative extrema of f of x equal to negative 2x to the fourth plus 2x squared. We set f of x equal to 0, which means negative 2x to the fourth plus 2x squared is equal to 0. Negative 2x squared is the greatest common factor. When we factor it out, we get negative 2x squared times x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. When we factor everything out, we have negative 2x squared times x plus 1 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Negative 2x squared equal to 0. We divide both sides by negative 2. We get x equal to 0. X plus 1 equal to 0. Subtract 1 from both sides. We get x equal to negative 1. X minus 1 is equal to 0. Add 1 to both sides. We get x equal to 1. In conclusion, the zeros are 0, 0, negative 1, 0, and 1, 0. Now we're going to find the relative extremas with the TI-84. First, we write the function negative 2x to the fourth plus 2x squared. We're going to press on graph to graph the function. The view is too small. We zoom in. We're going to press on 2 and press enter again. Okay. Now, just from the graph, we can see that the lowest point is 0, 0. From the graph, the minimum, the local minimum is 0, 0. We're going to call it the relative min. To get the first maximum, we're going to go to second function, calc, and we click on for maximum. We move the cursor past the maximum point, left past the maximum point. This is the guess for the left bound. Then we move the cursor again to the right past the maximum point. This is the guess for the right bound, and then it asks us to guess, and this is the maximum. X is equal to negative 0.7071, and y is equal to 1/2, 0.5. Negative 0.7071 is x, and y is 0.5. Now, because it's a relative maximum, because the function is even and it's the curve is reflexive over the y-axis, the second maximum should be 0.7071, and y will not change, 0.5. We can check it with the calculator. We will, because the function is even, like we said before, we can check it with the calculator. Let's check it with the calculator. We will go to second function, calculate, trace becomes calculate, second function, maximum is 4. We're going to move the cursor past the minimum and near the second maximum, left bound, then pass the second maximum, click enter, right bound, and enter again. Here we go. The maximum, the second maximum is 0.7071, and y is equal to 1/2.